Okay, welcome back to our English online teaching class. How are you today, everyone? I hope that you are fine today. And before we start, I would like to ask you about the lesson that you studied last time. Can you tell me what did you learn last time? Do you still remember? Everyone. So last time we studied about past simple. I hope that you remember it well. And when do you past simple, everyone? Still remember that? We use past simple to express a finished action in the past, or the action follow each other in the past. So now today the topic topic of our video today is about part 1, a TV experiment. So this reading text, the whole reading text in here, I have already posted in our group, Telegram group. You can check, and you have to read it all, to understand the text. And after understanding the text, you can take note some of the important information in the reading text in here, so that you can remember it well. And now let's move to practice, by pressing on this task. You see the practice in here, so the practice in here, you have to do it after reading. So now by take a look at this, you can see here the reading task in here. If you don't want to listen, if you don't want to read it, you can also listen by clicking on this part. For example,
a TV experiment. Go back just 30 years and look inside a child's bedroom. What do you see? Some books, a few dolls or toy cars, some cuddly animals, and perhaps a desk. Look inside the bedroom of today's kids, and it's a 21st century space station. Do they have everything and appreciate nothing? A TV channel tried an experiment.
The TV company, Channel 4, transported a typical 21st century family back in time to the 1970s. The Gregory family live in a large house in Milton Keynes. 15 years ago, the father, John, set up his own business and made a fortune. The children, Hannah, 12, and Josh, 10, have huge bedrooms full of expensive high-tech toys and clothes. They don't have to help at all with the running of the house. This is all very different from John's childhood in the 70s. He grew up in a small council house in Leeds, one of 5 children brought up by their father after his mother died. Discipline, order, and thrift ruled his life. We ate what we were given. We walked to school, and we had to share all the household chores. We had to do what we were told. Dad was very strict.
Thank you very much. So before moving to practice, I would like to explain you some keywords in here. I don't think that all of you know, or maybe some of you are not sure with some new vocabulary. That's why I would like to explain you. Go back, just go to the reading straight. Go back just 30 years and look inside a child's bedroom. What do you see? Some books, a few dolls or toy cars, some cuddly animals, and perhaps a desk. Look inside the bedroom of today kids and its 21st century space station. Do they have everything and appreciate nothing? Appreciate means to admire, to say that when someone do something good, we say we appreciate them, or we admire them for their achievement or what they have done so far. A TV channel, okay, try an experiment, okay. The TV company channel, okay, transported like move from one place to another place, we call transported. A typical means simple, 21st century family back in time to the 1970s. 70s in here with I, so it stands for, as in it stands for decades, okay, a period of 10 years. The Gregory family lived in a large house in Milton, okay, Kenneth. 15 years ago, okay, the father John set up his own business and made a fortune. A fortune means luck, okay, good luck or something like that, okay. The children, okay, Hannah's 12 and Joe's 10, have huge bedrooms full of expensive high-tech toys and clothes. They don't have to help at all with the running of the house. This is all very different from, okay, John's childhood in the 70s. 70s stand for 70 decades. He grew up in a small, okay, council house in Leeds. Leeds is referred to the names of a particular place. One of 5 children brought up means bring up, the past, okay, stand of bring, so we change to brought. By the fathers after his mother died. Discipline like the rule of something, okay. Order and thrift rule his life. We ate, okay, what we were given. We walked to school and we had to share all the household chores like the housework or something like that. So we call household chores. We had to do, okay, what we were told, okay. That was very strict, mean that not allow you to do, okay, what you want, okay. So it's strict. Now let's move to practice, everyone. And for those who still don't understand this reading text, I would like you to read 2 or 3 times. If you read 2 or 3 times, okay, it can make you understand as well. Okay, so now move to our task. Okay, so the task in here, you have to choose true or false from number 1 to number 4. So after that, for me, I don't want you to choose just only true or false. What I just want you to choose true or false in here, and after that tell the reason. If it is true, why it is true. If it is false, why it is false. The most important thing, I just want you to tell me the reason. Don't just get true, false, and then finish without knowing or understanding anything. I want you to give me the reason. If you can give the reason, mean that you understand. If you cannot give the reason, mean you don't understand. So you have to write your answer from 1 to 4 with the reason, okay, in your notebook, okay. And after that, you move to task 2. This is just only task 1, okay. This is task 1, and this one task 2, okay. Task 2, you have to complete the sentences, okay. Choose the correct alternative. Alternative in here means choice or option, okay. So we have from number 1 to number 6, and the alternative, this part we have big or small or something like that. We have have or don't have or something like that. So in order to answer, okay, or to choose it correctly, choose the answer correctly, you have to read the reading first, okay. Without the reading, okay, you cannot answer it correctly. So both task 1 and task 2, you have to do it and write in your notebook and send it to me, okay. So our video come to an end, and if you have any question, you can ask, okay, in this Telegram group. And one more thing, you can, if possible, please ask me privately, okay. So I will answer, okay. I try to answer as much as I can, okay. So thank you very much for watching and participation. Okay, thank you. Okay, see you next time.